Hey everyone, I'm Sue with Sue Very Designs, where I bring you fast, fun, and adorable projects. Today, I have a really big, super exciting announcement. But in order to share this announcement with you, it seems like I'm missing something. So let me see what I can do about that. Wow, can you believe this? These are two boxes that include one amazing thing. It's the new BERNINA 790 Plus. That can only mean one thing, that I'm the newest BERNINA ambassador. I am so thrilled and honored to be a part of the BERNINA family. So how about you and I go ahead and unbox this machine, and then we'll talk about some of the benefits of why me being the newest BERNINA ambassador is going to be good for you. So we're going to start with the bigger of the two boxes because I'm pretty sure this is where the BERNINA 790 Plus machine lives. So let's go ahead and do that. But in order to do that, we're going to need a couple of tools. Let's see, what do we need? Well, we need a pair of scissors. How about these? These will work just fine. There's some good craft scissors. And then just because I have long crazy hair, I'm going to need a hair clip. So let's do that first. Let's go ahead and clip our box open. Okay, inside the first top portion, we have this thin styrofoam flexi thing, and here comes the goodies. Are we all so excited? So let's see, we've got one of those packs that helps moisture. This is actually kind of cool. I think I might hold on to that for something else. And then we have a little pack of thread. To the right of our top package, we have our power cord. We've got the bed of the machine. This is really cool because it comes with the BERNINA 790 Plus. This way we can do our quilting projects and our big garment project. I love it. Over on the left side, it looks like we have a little informative DVD. You know what I'll be doing later. I'll like watching that cool thing. Above that, we have our knee lift. Wow, I love a knee lift. Knee lifts are the best because it is basically freehand sewing. Instead of having to reach around to the back of your sewing machine and lifting it up and down, we've got this that we can just do with our leg. I love it. It's great. This is sort of like Christmas, opening up a brand new machine. Inside here is what they lovingly refer to as the Barbie box. And isn't that the prettiest thing? This is where all of our little presser feet and accessories can live. Can already tell that I'm going to become a definite collector of BERNINA presser feet. And the way that this stands up is on the back side. There are two little legs. This way it can just stand up just like that. And then we have another layer. So we're going to take this layer, we're going to flip it over. Inside here, we've got three things. Ooh, this is cool. Then we've got our BSR. This is the BERNINA Stitch Regulator. It's in a beautiful little tin box. Inside the tin box, we have the instruction manual. Wow, do you all notice how intricate the packaging is? I mean, no wonder it's Swiss made, the BERNINA 790 Plus, and it's obvious that they take care and time to even package their machines. And let's see what else we have over here. We have another box, and inside this box, our beloved presser feet. So some things that I am excited about with the BERNINA brand is their presser feet are so well made. Custom, one at a time. They are beautifully designed. And in this bag, we've got our presser feet. We've got our stylus for the machine screen. And then we also have the BERNINA oil, which we're going to learn all about how to keep our BERNINA 790 Plus oils. And then the little bobbin case. And we also have a throat plate. It looks like it is the single needle throat plate. The BERNINA 790 Plus manual. So we're gonna, you know what? We're gonna save that for later because it's packaged up and we're gonna like spend some time. We're gonna love on this a little bit. And you know what, my friends? that's it. So I'm gonna put all these goodies to the side, and then we're gonna work on the next layer. Okay friends, are you ready to go to the next layer? I do believe I see my Bernina 790 Plus. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take this first layer out. And it looks like something else is hiding down here. Oh, it is the buttonhole foot. Right here, we've got that hiding. Okay, let's see what else we've got hiding in here. It's the big one. Here we go. Our new Bernina 790 Plus. Okay, so now this is gonna take a little finagling. So I'm gonna pull this out, and next thing you know, it's gonna be on the table. Okay, I have taken my Bernina 790 Plus out of the box, and we're just going to talk about a couple little things I see here. I noticed that there is some different packaging material because obviously Bernina wants this machine to come in one beautiful piece. So we've got like some plastic coating and some different things we're going to go ahead and take off. So let me do that now. And also there was your Bernina 790 Plus foot control. Right back here is the handle for the sewing machine. This is where you're gonna carry your Bernina by. And then at the top there is a thread spindle that's horizontal. And if you just notice here on the side, there is a vertical thread spindle as well. I got my scissors. We're gonna clip our packaging straps. Oh, yes, very important. Our embroidery presser foot. I imagine that's going to be on my machine a lot of the time. But I have to tell you that the Bernina 790 Plus is a stellar sewing machine too. They are known for their beautiful stitch quality. Here's our hoop templates, and it looks like there's a little bit of OESD embroidery stabilizer. I love a little sample kit. We have another one of these little moisture bags. We'll just keep that right there. And then here is our beautiful embroidery unit. So was that fun? I sure enjoyed unboxing this beautiful machine. And now I'm all set up. I've got my machine, my extension table, I've got my embroidery unit, my manuals. Check it out. Over here I've got all of my embroidery hoops all hung up. And on this side I've got my accessory case. So you know what this means? This means I'm ready to get stitching. And you, my audience, thank you so much for supporting me and following me and subscribing to my channel, because without you, I wouldn't be here. So thanks for helping me grow. This is going to be so much fun this year. Me being a Bernina ambassador is going to be good for you. You know what it means? It means I'm going to be giving you sewing tips, some free projects, machine embroidery, some in the hoop projects. So you know what I'd love? I'd love for you to tell me what you're interested in. Tell me what kind of in the hoop projects you'd like to see me do with my Bernina 790 Plus. Go ahead and leave all that in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe below and click the little dinger button, and that way you get notifications every time I upload a new video. Now that I'm a Bernina ambassador, I'm going to be posting on the We All Sew blog and providing you with some fun, free machine embroidery projects. So definitely go ahead, head over there and subscribe as well. And if you want to read the blog on how I came to decide on the Bernina 790 Plus, check it out, because you'll get to see my local shop, Keep Me in Stitches in Largo, Florida. They really helped me decide on this machine, and you can read all about how Alan, the manager there, and Melissa Helms, they all were wonderful and they really helped me make the right decision. If you like social media, be sure to follow me. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. You can follow me everywhere at Suoberry Designs. And if you also want to join my fan club, I've got one of those. We're on Facebook, and it's the Suoberry Designs Fan Club. And in the comments below, I'd also love to hear, which Bernina do you have? Who's your local dealer? Be sure to give them a shout out. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye.
If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Have a creative day. Bye-bye.